Okay, a major problem area for people is the thoracic spine. So thoracic spine is mid-back to shoulders. Again, if you're sitting a lot, these muscles get super, super tight, full of knots. That actually causes dysfunctional breathing because the diaphragm can't move as it should do. So that's going to inhibit your breathing. And obviously if you're climbing, you want to be able to breathe well. So we're literally rolling the spine from mid-spine up to the shoulder blades. If you have a tender neck, you can cradle your head with your hands. Otherwise, you're literally using your feet to drive you forward and back. And 15 to 20 movements like this will be perfect. And I actually think this should be done on a daily basis for most people. Keep the tummy nice and tight, keep the hips up, and just work on that part of the spine. You can move to the lower back as well, but if it's too painful, avoid and stick to mid-back to shoulders.